So now we get to know about what packages in Java. So these packages are very important while we are writing codes, and these packages are in association with these access specifiers. These access specifiers are, can say they are both are in contact with each other. So what are access specifiers? Access specifiers specifying access in the sense permission to go somewhere and get you do something, go somewhere, go some go somewhere, do something, do your work, do your functionality. So this access specifiers in Java allows a specific class or a method or an object or a variable to do some specific functionality upon their given accessibility. There are four types of access specifiers in Java. Public, protected, private, and default. These are the four different types of access specifiers in Java which we use while writing our Java programs. And these access specifiers are very important in order to write a Java program with specific accessibility or declaring a variable for its specific accessibility. So now we know what package is and what access specifiers are. Let's dive deep into those access specifiers. Access specifiers in Java: public, accessible from anywhere in the project; private, restricted to within the same class; protected, accessible within the same package and subclass; default. So it's a default. If no access specifier is given, and the compiler will take it as a default. So accessible only within the same packages. In the sense, within this numericals package only, this access specifier, this default will be accessible. So each specifier offers a different level of access control, helping developers implement encapsulation and maintain code structure effectively. So this access specifiers helps us in wrapping data and code together, which concludes our program. So this concludes access specifiers in Java. We can do one thing. We can make a table here. We can do a table, so there it will be more effective. So ideal practice. Let's make a table here and we can do it. Okay. So this is the table. We can say access specifier, type of access specifier, class, package, subclass, or if it's in different package, and world in the sense everywhere. So public access specifier can be used everywhere: in class, in package, in subclass, in global way you can say world. And protected access specifier it can be used in class, in package, in subclass, and it cannot be used in a world. It cannot be used world. So default, we said default accessible only within the same package. So that means it can be accessible within the class, and it can be accessible within the same package, but it cannot be accessible within the different package, and it cannot be accessible globally. And then private access specifier, which we have discussed, restricted to within the same class. That means it can be accessible within the same class, cannot be accessible anywhere else. So that's how we can differentiate. That's how we can not differentiate. That's how we can understand how these access specifiers or access specifiers are getting their accessibility from and giving their access. So this is how we can do it. So this is the table, very important table, which you can make a note of. So that concludes our access specifiers.